Hello, I am KK Misra. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel or classes. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on marketing management part 6. This is in series. Question number 1. Lead generation means 1. Tips for selling tactics. 2. Tips for better production. 3. Generating leaders. 4. Likely sources for prospective clients. 5. None of these. The correct option is 4. Likely sources for prospective clients. Question number 2. Marketing channel means 1. Delivery period. 2. Delivery time. 3. Delivery place. 4. All of these. 5. None of these. Here correct option is 4. All of these. 3. E-marketing is same as 1. Virtual marketing. 2. Digital marketing. 3. Real-time marketing. 4. All of the above. 5. None of the above. Correct option is 4. All of the above. 4. Marketing in banks is 1. A one-day function. 2. A one-man function. 3. A one-off affair. 4. All of these. 5. None of these. Here correct option is 5. None of these. 5. Effective marketing helps in 1. Boosting the purchases. 2. Boosting the sales. 3. Diversified business. 4. Realization of dreams. 5. All of these. Here correct option is 2. Boosting the sales. Question number 6. A buyer's market means 1. Buyers are also sellers. 2. Sellers are also buyers. 3. There are not sellers. 4. Demand exceeds supply. 5. Supply exceeds demand. Here correct option is 5. Supply exceeds demand. 7. The sequence of sale process is 1. A call, a lead, presentation, sale. 2. A lead, a call, presentation, sale. 3. Presentation, sale, lead, call. 4. Presentation, lead, sale, call. 5. Sale, call, lead, presentation. Here correct option is actually given in option number 2. The correct series of actions is a lead, then a call, then presentation, then sale. So this is the correct series of these terms. 8. A presentation means 1. Display of products. 2. A gift. 3. Explaining the utility of products. 4. Display of communication skills. 5. All of these. Correct option is 3. Explaining the utility of products. 9. Customer retention means 1. Retaining the customer at the bank for the full day. 2. Quick disposal. 3. Customer dealing with the same bank for a long time. 4. Better standards. 5. All of these. Now here correct option is 3. Customer dealing with the same bank for a long time. 10. Niche market means 1. A free market. 2. A social market. 3. Equity market. 4. Capital market. 5. A specified market for the target group. Correct option here is 5. A specified market for the target group. 11. Which of the following is target customer? 1. Structure. 2. Factors. 3. Future customer. 4. Suppliers and producers. 5. None of these. Here correct option is 3. Future customer. 12. Marketing is a mixture. This statement is related to 1. Product planning. 2. Price determination. 3. Cost. 4. Saving. 5. Marketing mix. The correct option is 5. Marketing mix. 13. Which of the following is the starting point of marketing? 1. Market. 2. Production place. 3. Buyer's house. 4. Seller's house. 5. All of these. Here correct option is 1. Market. 14. Which of the following customers are main customers of a bank? 1. Customer. 2. Employee. 3. Society. 4. All of these. 5. None of these. Here correct option is 4. All of these. 15. For customer oriented company, customer satisfaction is 1. Target. 2. Marketing tool. 3. Enterprise of profit. 4. Both 1 and 2. 5. All of these. Here correct option is 4. Both 1 and 2. 16. Promotion mix contain or contains 1. Advertisement. 2. Personnel sale. 3. Sales promotion. 4. Publicity. Here it is wrongly written. Actually this is personal sale, not personnel sale. And 5. All of these. Correct option is 5. All of these. 17. Demand consists 1. Want or need. 2. Willingness to spend. 3. Resource to purchase. 4. Only 1 and 2. 5. All of these. Correct option here is 5. All of these. 18. All the market efforts starts with the discovery of 1. Product. 2. Needs and wants of consumers. 3. Corruption. 4. Valid crime case. 5. All of the above. Here correct option is 2. Needs and wants of consumers. 19. What type of relation is there between company and suppliers? 1. Direct. 2. Indirect. 3. Multi-level. 4. Social. 5. Private. Here correct option is 1. Direct. 20. What decision is taken under planning? 1. What to do. 2. When to do. 3. How to do. 4. Why to do. 5. All of the above. Here correct option is 5. All of the above. 21. Out of the following dash is not one of the 3 levels of a product. 1. Core. 2. Augmented. 3. Actual. 4. Fragmented. 5. All of these. Here correct option is 4. Fragmented. 22. Out of the following dash is not an objective of price. 1. Profit. 2. Stabilizing demand and sales of the product. 3. Improvement in product quality. 4. Expansion of business. 5. All of these. Correct option here is 4. Expansion of business. 23. Which of the following pricing methods is not based on competitors' pricing? 1. English auction. 2. Sealed bid auction. 3. Group pricing. 4. None of these. 5. All of these. Here correct option is 3. Group price. 24. A prospect means 1. Any customer who walks into the bank. 2. An employee of the bank. 3. A customer who is likely to be interested in bank's product or service. 4. A depositor of the bank. 5. A borrower of the bank. Here actually correct option is 3. A customer who is likely to be interested in bank's products or service. He is not actually he is a prospect, not actually the customer, but the one who is likely to be interested in bank's products or service. 25. Goods that are typically bought by a consumer based on a comparison of suitability, quality, price and style are called dash goods. 1. Industrial. 2. Specialty. 3. Shopping. 4. Convenience. 5. All of these. Here correct option is 3. Shopping. As you all know that products are of 5 types. So industrial, specialty, shopping and convenience one. 26. A lead means 1. A prospect who is more likely to avail of the bank's product. 2. A political leader. 3. A religious leader. 4. A bank chairman. 5. None of these. Here correct option is 1. A prospect who is more likely to avail of the bank's products. 27. Innovation means 1. Compensation. 2. Inspiration. 3. Additional perquisites. 4. Implementing new ideas or new methods. 5. None of these. Here correct option is 4. Implementing new ideas or new methods. 28. A call means 1. Calling on friends. 2. Calling on bank employees. 3. Calling on prospective customers. 4. To make telephone calls. 5. Calling on relatives. Here correct option is 3. Calling on prospective customers. 29. The traditional marketing style involves 1. Telemarketing. 2. Digital marketing. 3. Indirect marketing. 4. Direct marketing. 5. All of the above. Correct option here is 4. Direct marketing. 30. Modern method of marketing includes 1. Publicity on the net. 2. Advertisement on the net. 3. Soliciting business through emails. 4. Telemarketing. 5. All of the above. Here correct option is 5. All of the above. So this was all about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel our classes and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Let me tell you that even more video tutorials on other different management subjects and personality development are available on my YouTube channel. Thank you. Please like, share and do subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.